Alright guys, so we just got done putting new belts on the machine. We still got some daylight, so we're still gonna record some more footage. If you guys remember, this kill switch is ineffective, inoperative, does not work. So it's just a ground, just like the key. Now, I think that this machine was serviced before, or maybe it broke. You don't know. But I think, for the most part, this thing was serviced before. So just for height purposes, don't kill my back and stuff bending over, we're going to put in the service position and we're going to work on it from there. And let's see what we can uncover. First I'm going to see if I can cheat and see if I can see them. I can't see SHIT, so this cover has to come off. So, 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here. And this looks like it comes off the muffler too. So let's start undoing this. Probably still 3/8 like everything else. That's the beauty of it. Remember this kill switch is just, it kills the ground. This is not 3/8. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is this going to make me alarm? These should be 3/8. These have to be 3/8. Unless they're rusted and rounded off. No, they are not 3. Alright, new socket. Yeah, they're different. Amazing. 3/8 for the belly pan, 10mm for everything else. Now you guys can hear my neighbor in the back working on cars, but I'm not going to risk it. Because I have and I've lost. I think I know about the noise restrictions. So, let's see, can you cheat? So I got the 2 off by the shroud. And the muffler cover comes off. Alright. See, that's free. Putting all my bolts in the box. We can't lose them. Okay. This choke lever knob, we just pull right out like so. I'm going to put that in the box. And then, let's see. Let's remove these cardboard. Let's see how much slack we got in the box. So, can we... see that? I'm going to squeeze you guys in there. No! Oh shit. I just cracked the camera, but I still got good footage. Can you guys see this? What is that? Oh, let me get a light. What'd I tell you? What did I tell you? I'm gonna hang you guys upside down, maybe? Can you guys see that? Do you see that bare bone spade connector? Let's see, can I drop you guys right here? Right? Come on, you guys tell me, you have to see that spade connector. Right there. See, white spade? This white is missing. Somehow it got pulled off. So let's screen isn't working. Alright, now I got a better shot. You see that? See this wire? We're missing a wire. Is one off? That is very weird. So let's see. Is this hooked up wrong? On, off. That's pretty weird for a kill switch. See that? Run, stop. What did they hook this up to? That's very weird. So all the wires are accounted for. Could it just be a bad switch? Let's move these around. Like I said, we can't run the machine. So we can't see if we kill a spark. Actually, we can see if we kill a spark. Back down to the service position we go. My cat GoPro screen. I'm just gonna hook up my spark tester. Alright, so I know we're past the time, but I have the fuel off, so the machine shouldn't have any fuel in it. And we're just gonna see if we have spark or not. So it's in run, so we should have spark. You see that? We have spark. Now if we run it to stop, do we have spark still? Nope, see that? So, somebody was in here for something, and they wired it wrong. So let's just try this one more time. It's on, stop. Now we're going to have it to run. Do we have spark? Yes, we do. Off. No spark. So we are good to go. I guess, yeah, somebody had to be in here. Why? I have no idea. So, that's good to go. So, that's it. I'm going to post this video, because winner, chicken dinner, right? And then, when we tune it up and run it, we'll verify that it works, even though we confirmed with our spark tester. Alright. GoPro's down and out for the count, and that's my fault, because I ordered a cover for it, and it wasn't a good one, so I never bothered with it. Oh boy, do I sure wish now I do, because now it's garbage. So I'm going to put the cover back on. This is going to be pretty rough, because I don't have an extra set of hands. I'm laying my camera on top of my GoPro. That's what my GoPro is good for now, a camera mount. So that's it for the footage on this thing. Which kind of sucks because I have a time frame of things. And trying to video everything I do. And this does not help that. So I got the cover lined up. It's really going to be as good as I can get because, let's see, can we do it like this? No, it's too heavy. See? No good. Alright, there we go. So I got it lined up. We're going to put our our hardware back in. Remember, these are all 10 millimeter. A choke lever. And we're going to pull it down. rough. Actually, where are the rusty ones? Nah. Just put that right there. And I'm starting these by hand so they don't strip out. So, bastards. I really wanted to have this in long-term storage this weekend. Man. Maybe I'll use it. Maybe I'll use it in the clip. Because the only thing I don't like about this camera is that it doesn't zoom. Sometimes something like this, I like to get a close-up. But that is it. Kill switch repaired. All right, guys. Sorry about the. Oh, let's see. Well, here's my GoPro. See that? Cracked. So this touchscreen is very finicky. Fugazi. Alright, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance.